Hey there, welcome to MotorVibes. Today, we're diving into 7 easiest cruiser motorcycles to maintain in 2024 that combine reliability with riding pleasure. Let's explore these machines that promise less time in the garage and more time on the road. Number 7. Triumph Speed Twin 1200. The 2024 Triumph Speed Twin 1200 represents British engineering at its finest, combining classic aesthetics with modern reliability. This premium cruiser stands out for its attention to both performance and serviceability. The bike's heart is its 1,200cc parallel twin engine, producing a robust 98.6 horsepower and 83 of torque. What makes this powerhouse particularly maintenance-friendly is its 10,000-mile service intervals, significantly reducing time spent in the garage. The engine features easily accessible oil filter locations and straightforward valve adjustment procedures. Triumph has engineered the Speed Twin with a clean, uncluttered layout that provides excellent access to all major service points. The bike's shaft drive system eliminates the need for regular chain maintenance, making it particularly appealing for riders who prioritize convenience. The shaft drive typically requires inspection only during major service intervals. Modern electronics include ride-by-wire throttle, multiple riding modes, and traction control, all designed with reliability in mind. The electrical system features a centralized fuse box and easily accessible diagnostic port for straightforward troubleshooting. Priced at $12,995, the Speed Twin 1200 includes sophisticated features like Brembo brakes with easily replaceable pads and a suspension system that's simple to adjust and maintain. The bike's tubular steel frame provides excellent access to all major components during service. The cooling system is particularly well designed, with easily accessible coolant levels and straightforward bleeding procedures. Oil changes can be completed in under 45 minutes, even by novice mechanics. The bike's computer system provides clear maintenance alerts, helping riders stay on top of service schedules. Triumph's dealer network and parts availability are excellent, ensuring that when maintenance is needed, parts are readily available. The bike comes with a 2-year unlimited mileage warranty, demonstrating Triumph's confidence in their engineering. Number 6. CF Moto 450 CLC. The CF Moto 450 CLC represents a perfect balance of modern engineering and practical maintenance design. This newcomer to the cruiser market has quickly gained attention for its user-friendly approach to motorcycle ownership. The bike is powered by a 449cc parallel twin engine featuring a 270-degree crankshaft and dual counterbalancers. This configuration not only delivers smooth power delivery, but also reduces maintenance requirements by minimizing vibration-related wear. The engine produces 47 horsepower and 39 of torque, providing ample power while remaining within A2 license restrictions in many countries. One of the most maintenance-friendly features is its Gates belt drive system. Unlike traditional chains, this belt drive requires no lubrication and minimal adjustment, typically lasting up to 25,000 miles before replacement. This significantly reduces regular maintenance time and costs. The bike features a well-thought-out design, with easy access to all major service points. The oil filter and drain plug are readily accessible, making oil changes a 30-minute job. The air filter box can be reached without removing multiple panels, simplifying routine air filter maintenance. Priced competitively at $5,999, the 450 CLC comes with modern features including slip assist clutch, dual-channel ABS, and LED lighting throughout. The electrical system is logically laid out with a centralized fuse box and easily accessible battery compartment. Service intervals are set at 4,000 miles for regular maintenance, with major services required at 12,000 miles. The bike's upright riding position and low 27.5-inch seat height not only enhance comfort, but also make routine maintenance checks easier to perform. The refined matte ceramic paint is particularly durable and easy to clean, while the polished details maintain their shine with minimal effort. The suspension system features straightforward preload adjustment, and the brake system uses common pad sizes that are readily available and simple to replace. Number 5. Kawasaki Vulcan S. The Kawasaki Vulcan S stands as the pinnacle of low-maintenance cruiser design, combining modern engineering with practical serviceability. This middleweight cruiser has earned its reputation as one of the most user-friendly motorcycles in terms of maintenance and reliability. The heart of the Vulcan S is its proven 649cc parallel twin engine, derived from the Ninja 650 platform, delivering 61 horsepower and 46 of torque. This power plant is particularly maintenance-friendly with 7,500-mile service intervals, meaning less time in the garage and more time on the road. The engine's design provides excellent access to all service points, making routine maintenance surprisingly straightforward. The bike features Kawasaki's Ergo Fit system, which not only allows for customizable ergonomics, but also makes routine maintenance checks easier by providing good access to all major components. The bike's layout is clean and uncluttered, with the oil filter and drain plug easily accessible for quick oil changes. Priced at $7,899, the Vulcan S offers exceptional value, considering its build quality and low maintenance costs. The electrical system is logically arranged with a centralized fuse box and easily accessible battery location. The chain drive system features clear alignment markers and simple adjustment points, making chain maintenance a 15-minute job. What sets the Vulcan S apart is its thoughtful engineering. The radiator is positioned to minimize debris accumulation, reducing cleaning frequency. The brake system uses common pad sizes that are readily available and simple to replace. The fuel injection system is self-adjusting, eliminating the need for regular tuning. Kawasaki's extensive dealer network ensures parts availability and expert support when needed. The bike comes with a 24-month warranty, demonstrating Kawasaki's confidence in their engineering and build quality. Number 4. Honda Rebel 500. The 2024 Honda Rebel 500 represents the perfect fusion of classic cruiser styling and modern reliability, earning its reputation as one of the most maintenance-friendly motorcycles in its class. This middleweight cruiser proves that sophisticated engineering can coexist with simple maintenance. At the heart of the Rebel 500 is its 471cc liquid-cooled parallel twin engine, delivering smooth and reliable power through a 6-speed transmission. The engine's design is particularly maintenance-friendly, with 8,000-mile service intervals that keep you on the road longer. The initial 1,000-mile service is crucial for clearing manufacturing metal shavings, but after that, maintenance becomes remarkably straightforward. The bike's design allows easy access to all major service points, making routine maintenance tasks like oil changes and filter replacements simple 30-minute jobs. The liquid cooling system is well-engineered, with easy-to-monitor coolant levels and straightforward bleeding procedures when needed. Priced at $6,799, the Rebel 500 comes with Honda's renowned reliability and a comprehensive warranty package. The standard 1-year unlimited mileage warranty can be extended up to 3 additional years through the Honda Care Protection Plan, providing extra peace of mind for owners. The electrical system is logically laid out, with easily accessible fuse boxes and a straightforward battery location. The chain drive system, while requiring regular maintenance, features clear alignment markers and easy adjustment points. Basic maintenance tasks like brake pad replacement and fluid checks can be performed with minimal tools and mechanical knowledge. Honda's extensive dealer network ensures parts availability and expert support when needed. The bike's simple design philosophy means that even routine maintenance can often be performed by owners in their garage, saving both time and money on service costs. Number 3. Royal Enfield Shotgun 650. The Royal Enfield Shotgun 650 combines classic styling with modern engineering principles, making it a standout choice for riders seeking both character and maintainability. This neo-retro cruiser brings the best of both worlds to the maintenance-conscious rider. At its core is the tried and tested 648cc air oil-cooled parallel twin engine, producing 47 horsepower and 38.4 of torque. This power plant is particularly maintenance-friendly due to its simple architecture and accessible design. The air oil cooling system reduces complexity compared to liquid-cooled engines, with fewer components that could potentially require service. The bike features a powder-coated frame and alloy components that resist corrosion, significantly reducing long-term maintenance requirements. Regular service intervals are set at 6,000 miles, with major services due at 12,000 miles. The simplicity of the engine design means that most routine maintenance tasks can be performed with basic tools. Priced at $6,999, the Shotgun 650 offers exceptional value, considering its build quality and low maintenance costs. The bike's straightforward electrical system features minimal complexity, making troubleshooting and repairs notably easier than more sophisticated models. One of its most appealing maintenance features is the easily adjustable valve clearances, accessible without removing the fuel tank. The oil change process is straightforward, with clear access to both the drain plug and filter. The bike's upright riding position and classic styling are complemented by modern features like ABS and fuel injection, which require minimal maintenance while providing reliable performance. Royal Enfield's widespread service network ensures parts availability and expert support when needed. The bike's robust construction and simple engineering philosophy mean that even routine maintenance can often be performed by owners with basic mechanical knowledge. Number 2. Moto Marini Calibro. The Moto Marini Calibro stands out in the cruiser segment as a perfect blend of Italian style and practical engineering. This modern cruiser brings sophistication to the middleweight category while keeping maintenance surprisingly simple. At its core is a liquid-cooled parallel twin engine that delivers smooth, reliable power. The engine's straightforward design allows for easy access to key maintenance points, while the liquid cooling system helps maintain consistent operating temperatures, reducing wear and tear on vital components. One of the Calibro's most maintenance-friendly features is its belt drive system. Unlike traditional chain drives, the belt requires minimal adjustment and no lubrication, saving significant maintenance time and effort. The belt typically lasts up to 20,000 miles before requiring replacement, far longer than conventional chains. The steel double-cradle chassis provides excellent accessibility to all major components, making routine maintenance tasks straightforward. The bike sits at a comfortable 28.5-inch seat height, which not only aids in handling but also makes maintenance work more manageable when the bike is on its stand. Modern features include LED lighting throughout, digital instrumentation, and dual-channel ABS. The suspension system, while sophisticated in performance, is designed for easy adjustment and maintenance, with clearly marked preload adjusters on the rear shocks, Priced at $7,499, the Calibro comes with an impressive 3-year warranty, demonstrating Moto Marini's confidence in their build quality. Service intervals are set at 6,000 miles for regular maintenance, with major services required at 12,000 miles. The bike features easily accessible oil drain points, simple to replace air filters, and clearly marked fluid level indicators. The Calibro's electrical system is well organized with a centralized fuse box and easily accessible battery location, making electrical maintenance and troubleshooting straightforward. The brake system features standard pads that are readily available and simple to replace when needed. Number 1. Kawasaki Eliminator. The Kawasaki Eliminator represents a perfect entry point into the cruiser segment, combining modern technology with classic styling. This lightweight cruiser has been turning heads since its introduction with its aggressive stance and urban-friendly design. The heart of the Eliminator is its 451cc liquid-cooled, parallel twin engine, delivering 45 horsepower and 31.4 of torque. This power plant offers smooth acceleration through its 6-speed transmission, perfect for both city commuting and highway cruising. The engine's linear power delivery makes it particularly appealing for newer riders while still entertaining experienced motorcyclists. Maintenance is remarkably straightforward with 7,500 mile service intervals. The liquid cooling system reduces overall stress on engine components, while the accessible design makes oil changes a simple 30-minute task. The major valve service interval of 15,000 miles is particularly impressive, reducing long-term maintenance costs. The bike features a low 27.6-inch seat height and weighs just 399 pounds wet, making it exceptionally manageable for riders of all sizes. Fuel efficiency is excellent, averaging around 65 mpg, with a 3.7-gallon tank, providing substantial range. The Eliminator comes equipped with modern features, including LED lighting, LCD instrumentation, and dual-channel ABS. The suspension setup, with telescopic forks up front and twin rear shocks, provides a comfortable ride while being simple to maintain and adjust. Priced at $6,999, the Eliminator offers outstanding value. The chain drive system requires basic maintenance every 400 to 500 miles, but the process is straightforward thanks to clear markers for chain adjustment. All fluid change points are easily accessible, and the bike's design allows for simple brake pad replacement and basic maintenance without specialized tools. Thanks for watching MotorVibes. We hope this detailed look at these maintenance-friendly cruisers helps you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest motorcycle reviews. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next video.